Hey, what's up Bitcoin holders, welcome to another brand video. So after a deep research I will decide to make a video about Bitcoin, and this time very critical condition of Bitcoin. Can there is a chances to the price was pumps up, the market is in bullish position or in a bearish position. I will tell you everything in this video. But guys, remember, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. This time if you look out the Bitcoin, so the big change my friend, you can see 1.67% the price change. You can see here 21,298.91 USD dollar was the current price, and the price target of Bitcoin was very huge my brother. But maybe my friend it will crash down. Yeah, there will be also chances to the price was crash down. Can really my friend the price was crash down? After this video you will completely understand. You can see here the volume of Bitcoin, so 55.49% it was the volume was decreased. Remember, when volume was decreasing, that's mean to the seller rate are very high now. So this time you can see here the market condition. So you can see here market cap was increased 1.67%. But remember, when market cap was increasing, then price was also increasing now. So this time my friend, if we look out the Bitcoin condition, so it was completely in bullish position. But maybe my friend, this time market was crashed down, Bitcoin was crashed down. This time you can see here after a huge pump, absolutely every coin was shortly dumps down. So this time if you are a short time trader, definitely it will be crashed down, 100% confirm. But after a short time of this, definitely there was a more chances to the price was pumps up. So I highly recommend you, my viewers, my subscriber, to trade now for a long time in Bitcoin in this time, because very critical condition. Maybe there was a more chances my brothers to the price was crashed down, there was more chances to the price was pumps up. So that's why I highly recommend you to don't trade for a short time and just focus on liquidation price, because there was more chances my brothers, so they will very suddenly starting pumping up, suddenly crashing now. So therefore this time you will need to be take a very deeply and very carefully trade now. All right, thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe this channel, and I hope you enjoy this video, so please like and subscribe channel.